Hello, I'm Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9, brought to you in association with the BNZ. This is your morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, starting now with news. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is down more than 2% or 200 points in late trade. There was a real surprise on jobs overnight in the United States. There are fears the recovery there won't come. 480,000 people registered for new unemployment insurance in the last week. The New Zealand dollar fell to 68.7 US cents because of this fear about the global recovery. New Zealand is seen as a riskier currency, and so when appetites for risk drop, so does the New Zealand dollar. It actually fell to a September low. But, of course, the rise in the unemployment rate in New Zealand to 7.3% yesterday was a factor there too. And some people on the market are now saying, or now picking, that the official cash rate will be increased later than they'd originally expected, although most economists are still saying the middle of 2010. Meanwhile, the other reason for the turmoil in global markets was the euro, which fell to its lowest since May overnight. There was news of a strike by a major union in Greece and more fears about debt, particularly in Portugal, Spain and Greece. Those European debt fears saw the euro slump, but also increased the margin that people are having to pay for Greek debt to 425 basis points. And finally, Warren Buffett, the legendary US investor, has had his AAA credit rating stripped by Standard & Poor's. They've cut it to AA+ after his Berkshire Hathaway company bought a big railway network in the United States. I'm Hickey. That was 90 at 9, brought to you in association with the BNZ.